Today we'll be talking about how to make classic American pancakes. This video is brought to you by Tina Brigham at Ask a School Librarian. I'll be telling you everything you need to make these pancakes. However, I'd like to start by showing you some variations on pancakes from other countries. First up are crepes from France. Crepes are thin pancakes that can be sweet or savory. They're often filled with fruits, Nutella, or cheese. Next, we have Blini from Russia. These are small, fluffy pancakes made with buckwheat flour. They're often served with sour cream, caviar, jam, or salmon, as you see in the photo. Next, we have dosas from India. Dosas are thin, crispy pancakes made from fermented rice and lentil batter. They're usually served with spicy chutney and sambar, which is a vegetable stew. Nigeria has puff puffs. These are round, fluffy dough balls that are fried, similar to pancakes, but sweeter and spongier. They are often enjoyed as snacks. Japan has Okonomiyaki. This savory pancake is made with cabbage, meat, and seafood. It's topped with sauce and mayonnaise. It's like a meal and a pancake all in one. Now back to our American pancakes. American pancakes are thick, fluffy cakes made in a pan that are often served with butter and maple syrup. They're often known as pancakes, but also as hotcakes, flapjacks, or griddle cakes. To make classic American pancakes, you'll need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and cooking spray or a little extra butter for the pan. First, mix your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Stir them together with a whisk or a spoon. Next, mix together the wet ingredients. You'll need another bowl. Whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter together. Now combine. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. It's okay if there are a few lumps. Do not overmix. Now heat the pan. Put a nonstick skillet or griddle on the stove over medium heat. Add a little butter or cooking spray to keep the pancakes from sticking to the pan. Next, it's time to cook the pancakes. Pour about 1/4 cup of the batter onto the hot pan for each pancake. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface. That takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip the pancake and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Now serve. Stack your pancakes on a plate and add your favorite toppings like syrup, fruit, or whipped cream. Now you can enjoy your pancakes. You know how to make delicious pancakes and learn about some cool variations from other countries around the world. So have fun cooking and enjoy your tasty treats. Let me know in the comments which type of pancakes you make and what is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe before you go.